Hello, I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you? Okay, which part are you in India? Which part are you in India? Punjab. Okay, what do you do? Wow. Are you born and raised in Punjab? Okay. Then tell me how long have you been using this platform and what brings you here? Okay. Then what brings you here? Okay, apart from this platform, do you talk with anyone in English? Okay, then you have atmosphere, right? You have atmosphere to. Okay, that's good. Then how many languages do you know? Okay. Oh, German. Then do you want to move to German or only do you learn according to your interest? Okay. Hmm. You know survival Germany language, right? Hmm. Then what's your future plan? Okay, your family is settled in German and you want to move in there, right? Then right now, where are you studying? German or Punjab? Punjab. Okay, but you want to settle in German, right? How long your father is there? How long? Of course, definitely. You never asked me. That's why I'm asking you. Ah, then you never ask me. You don't ask me, then I will ask you when I. Okay, okay. Then I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Yeah. Have you been Odisha? Okay. Then if you get chance, then you welcome to Odisha and you visit here. Odisha has beautiful places. Yeah. Yeah. Then you tell me because you are doing in PG, right? What's your special subject? Wow. Then you can read people mindset, right? And what they think about it, they you can evaluate, right? Hmm. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, then you wanted to tell me in depression, right? Okay, tell me people why they go through depression. Why? People why they go depression. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Some people they go depression through demotivation, negativity, overthinking, their expectations so high they cannot fulfill. Right? They have a different desire. Mm-hmm. Right, right, right. Huh, that is a little bit, but demotivation or negative is a so difficult. Hmm. Right. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Right. Overthinking is a so yeah. Overthinking is a so negative. Right. Because you think overly, repeatedly, same thing, and continuously you feel sadness. Right. Why it happened with me? That kind of. Hmm. Right. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Hmm. Right. Right. Because people, right. Because you know who create negativity, overthinking with themselves. Self. No one can do it. Right. If you think people hurt you, then we should learn how to avoid that kind of situation. How? Mhm. Right. Right. Okay. Outside people they tell us, but we have to learn how to accept and what we don't accept. Right. Right. Some Sometimes what happen? We accept negative way. Right? They push us negative, we accept negative. They tell us negative, but we should accept as a positive. Then we can remove right from our mind. Hmm. Hmm. Right. 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 Hmm. Right, right, right. That's why people they go depression, right? After that, they know about it is a depression and it affect for means me and I cannot come out from the depression and it becomes a disease, right? Right, right. Then that's why people they cannot. It is a, it is a slow poison, right? Slowly increase and slowly affect our body, mind, or everything, right? Not happens in one night. Slowly do it. But people they always think about negative long time. If someone insulted from some, oh, really? Hmm. Right. Hmm. Inside. Right. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Right. Because first of all, we have to learn how to accept positive way in negativity. Right. But as a challenge. Right. Right. If you take it as a problem, so you become like